In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your microphone volume on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left side, and then on the right side, you want to select sound. Go down to the input section where it says microphone, and you can select the microphone in question, and you can adjust the input volume by dragging it to the left or the right, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.